আসসালামু আলাইকুম। নবম এবং দশম শ্রেণীর প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আশা করি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো, সুস্থ আছো। আজকে আমি তোমাদের গত ক্লাসে দেওয়া হোমওয়ার্কটির সলিউশন দিব। আমাদের গত ক্লাসে আমরা ইউনিট 12 লেসন 1 বি মাই রুটস 1 পড়েছিলাম। আমি টেক্সটে তোমাদের আরেকবার পড়ে শোনাচ্ছি। Eid is the main religious festival of the Muslims in Bangladesh. Eid means happiness. Everyone wants to share this happiness with their near and dear ones. So most of the people who are living outside their homes for different reasons have a strong desire to get back home during the Eid vacation. As a result, there is a mad rush to board buses, trains or launches for going home. This often causes transport accidents that take away many lives. However, this cannot stop people from going home to meet their family, in-laws or friends. What makes people rush for their homes in spite of serious hazards? This is nothing but people's desire to return to the roots. Do human beings have roots like the trees? The answer is yes, but unlike the roots of the trees, they are invisible. They lie in our minds. It's these roots that make a bond between us and family members, in-laws, friends, neighbors, or even between us and the land where we were born and grew up. In that sense, our families, our land of birth, relatives, our culture, traditions, or surroundings are our roots. And wherever we stay, we feel the power of our roots. It's our roots that develop our identity, making us what we are. When we lost that bond, we become rootless. Human beings who do not have any roots are a non-entity. In other words, they do not have any identity. They don't know where they are from or where they are heading to. This often makes them feel empty and lost. তো আমাদের এমসিকিউ এর যে প্রথম প্রশ্নটি ছিল সেটা হচ্ছে ইট ইজ দ্য মেইন ফেস্টিভ্যাল অফ দ্য মুসলিমস ইন বাংলাদেশের উত্তরটি হবে রিলিজিয়াস। বি হচ্ছে উই গেট ইউনাইটেড উইথ আওয়ার রিলেটিভস ওয়িং টু স্ট্রং ইনভিজিবল বন্ড, এটি হবে বি এর উত্তর। সি এ ম্যান হ্যাজ নো আইডেন্টিটি, 3 নম্বর হবে এর উত্তরটি ইফ হি লসেস বন্ড উইথ হিজ নিয়ার অ্যান্ড ডিয়ার ওয়ান্স। ডি when do the transport accidents mostly happen? During religious festivals. E which of the following statements is true? Almost all people get back to their roots during Eid festival. F what is the meaning of the word in-laws? এর উত্তরটি হবে relatives by marriage. G the main purpose of the passage is to show the difference between the rootless people and the people having close connection with their families or relatives. তাহলে আমি আরেকবার তোমাদের এমসিকিউর উত্তরগুলো দেখাচ্ছি। আমাদের এর উত্তরটি হবে 3 রিলিজিয়াস, বি এর উত্তরটি হবে 1 ওয়িং টু স্ট্রং ইনভিজিবল বন্ড, সি এর উত্তরটি হবে 3 ইফ হি লসেস বন্ড উইথ হিজ নিয়ার অ্যান্ড ডিয়ার ওয়ান্স, ডি এর উত্তরটি হবে 2 ডিউরিং রিলিজিয়াস ফেস্টিভ্যালস, এবং এর উত্তরটি হবে 1 অলমোস্ট অল পিপল গেট ব্যাক টু দেয়ার রুটস ডিউরিং ইড ফেস্টিভ্যাল। এফ হোয়াট ইজ দ্য মিনিং অফ দ্য ওয়ার্ড ইন লস? এর উত্তরটি হবে রিলেটিভস বাই ম্যারেজ। জি দ্য মেইন পারপাস অফ দ্য প্যাসেজ ইজ, 4 নম্বর হবে এর উত্তরটি to show the difference between the rootless people and the people having close connection with their families or relatives. Number 2, answer the following questions. Number A, from your reading of the passage, show the reason of great rush on the occasion of Eid. সম্ভব উত্তরটি আমি বলছি। Eid is the main religious festival of the Muslims in Bangladesh. Eid being an occasion of great joy, people living outside their homes for different reasons feel a great urge to go home and share the joy of Eid with their relatives. As such, there is a great rush in the vehicles on the occasion of Eid. Number B, this is the pull of the roots. What does the writer want to mean by this sentence? Explain in 2-3 sentences. By this sentence, the writer wants to mean that people having close connection with their relatives feel a great urge to get united and share the joy of Eid with them. In fact, people have a natural tendency to share joy with their near and dear ones, so they feel such an urge. Number C, what are the characteristics of the people having roots? সম্ভাব্য উত্তরটি, the people having roots are those who are closely related to their families and relatives. They have values, humanity and social responsibilities. Society and the nation are greatly benefited by them. Number D. Describe the character of the rootless people in 2-3 sentences. Rootless people are those who have no connection with their relatives and families. They have no culture, traditional feeling. They have no values, humanity, and social responsibilities. Society or the nation do not get any benefit from them. Number E. Do you support the idea that rootless people do not at all contribute to social or national development? Why? Why not? Explain in 2-3 sentences. Yes, I completely support the idea. Being disconnected with their relatives and families, they have no values, humanity, or social responsibilities. They can be involved in any kind of evil and destructive activities. তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের এর উত্তর। দে ক্যান বি ইনভলভড ইন এনি কাইন্ড অফ ইভিল অ্যান্ড ডিস্ট্রাকটিভ অ্যাক্টিভিটিস। নাম্বার 3, আমাদের প্যাসেজটি একই সিম প্যাসেজ থেকে আমাদের নাম্বার 3 প্রশ্নটি করা হয়েছিল। আমি এর উত্তরগুলো বলছি। আমাদের এর উত্তরটি হবে শেয়ার, বির উত্তরটি হবে রিটার্ন, সি এর উত্তর হবে রাশ বা জ্যাম, ডি এর উত্তর হবে পুল এবং এর উত্তর হবে ভ্যালুলেস। 4 যে টেক্সটটি ছিল সেটা আমি একবার রিডিং করে শোনাচ্ছি। Bangladesh is now an independent country. It achieved independence in 1971 after passing a long way of struggle. Before 1947, the country had been a part of the Indian subcontinent under the British rule and had been suffering extremely, being deprived of many advantages of life. Through a lot of struggle and movement, the subcontinent got rid of British exploitation. At the time of their departure, it was divided into 2 parts, India and Pakistan, and we, in name of East Pakistan, came under the dominion of West Pakistan. But it was a matter of great regret that our suffering and exploitation did not diminish under the Pakistani rule. Rather, it was increasing gradually. In the face of our protest and struggle, they were taking up new devices of exploitation. As a part of their intrigue against us, they wanted to impose Urdu upon us as a state language. However, through our united movement in 1952, we defended our mother tongue. This event inflamed in us the desire of being independent. With this end in view, people of West Pakistan began to be united against them and rose in mass movement in 1969. And ultimately, we achieved our long-cherished independence in 1971 through a bloody war of 9 months. তো আমাদের এখানকার ইনফরমেশন ট্রান্সফারের প্রথম উত্তরটি হবে 1 নম্বরে বিফোর 1947, 2 নাম্বারটি হবে ডিভিশন অফ ইন্ডিয়া সাবকন্টিনেন্ট, 3 হবে 1947 to 1971, 4 নাম্বার হবে মাস মুভমেন্ট এবং 5 নাম্বার হবে ইন 1971। তাহলে আমি উত্তরটি আবার দেখাচ্ছি। Before 1 number before 1947 2 division of India subcontinent, 3 1947 to 1971, 4 mass movement এবং 5 in 1971. 5 number write a summary of the above passage in your own words. To become an independent state, Bangladesh had to undergo great suffering and struggle. Before 1947, it experienced British colonial rule, and in 1947, it came under the Pakistani rule. While under Pakistani rule, it had to suffer from exploitation. It even had to defend its own language through a language movement. So the people of East Pakistan began to get united and ultimately achieved independence in 1971 through a great war of 9 months. তাহলে এটি ছিল আমাদের সামারি। তোমরা সামারিটি খেয়াল করবে। 6 নাম্বার ম্যাচিংয়ের উত্তরগুলো আমি বলছি। A+3+3 on a hot summer day a man hired an ass through hard labor and a good price for having a journey. B+5+2 the man rode the ass while the owner walked behind him. C+1+1 at midday the rider got down to cool fully to get refreshment for a while. D+2+4 the owner pushed him away on excuse that he had not rented him the shadow. E+4+5 while they were quarreling over the possession of the shadow, the ass ran away. তাহলে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি উত্তরগুলো হচ্ছে A+3+3 B plus 5 plus 2, C plus 1 plus 1, D plus 2 plus 4 এবং E plus 4 plus 5। 7 নাম্বার আমাদের যে রিয়ারেঞ্জটি ছিল তার কারেক্ট অর্ডারটি হচ্ছে C, E, G, F, H, A, B এবং D। C, E, G, F, H, A, B এবং D। এখন আজকে আমি তোমাদের নতুন একটি হোমওয়ার্ক দিব, সেটি হচ্ছে আমাদের ইউনিট 12 থেকে ইউনিট 12 এর লেসন 2D মাই রুটস 2। আমি টেক্সটটি পড়ে শোনাচ্ছি। Mainul Islam is a qualified farmer in Nauga. Mr. Islam was very brilliant as a student. He took his higher education from Bangladesh Agricultural University in Mymensingh. He then came back home and started advanced farming. He has two other brothers who are graduate in different disciplines. The specialty of the Islam family is that they all are living in their village and all are renowned in their own fields. Mr. Islam's younger brother, who is a university graduate, is a science teacher in a local school. His youngest brother is a social science graduate who likes to start a local NGO to work for this area. When asked what makes you decide to stay here in this village, Mr. Islam smiled and said, "Look, it's true that we could leave this village for city life. I could be banker or my brothers could be bureaucrats, but it didn't attract us. We are sons of this soil. Yes, we have education, but does education prepare a person only to be an officer? Don't we have any obligation to the soil that has made us what we are?" He also added that not every educated individual should be a job seeker. He added that since his discipline was agriculture, after his education he took the occupation of a farmer. In response to a question whether they had any frustration living in a village, he confirmed that they were indeed very pleased with their life. He said, "I work in my own farm, stay with my family members, pass time with my old friends, and sleep at my own home. All these count a lot." Mr. Islam is right. Many people go to cities and forget or loosen their roots knowingly or unknowingly. Mr. Islam and his brothers are great. They haven't forgotten their roots. They not only stuck to their own roots, they have been torch bearers for others to be respectful of their roots. এখন তোমাদের যে আমি এমসিকিউগুলো দিয়েছি সেগুলো দেখাচ্ছি। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য মিনিং অফ দ্য ফ্রেজ সন্স অফ সয়েল? 1. Attraction to the soil, avoiding of soil, made of soil, native village. B. Which of the following statements is true about Mainul Islam? As a student, he was not so meritorious. Though he ardently desired an urban life, he could not afford it. 3. In spite of his higher education and ability to be well established in city, he chose a rural life simply owing to his love for his village. 4. Being disappointed in getting a job in the city, he returned to his own village and started agricultural activities. Number C. Mainul's dash was agriculture. Root, subject, NGO, topic. D. The specialty of Islam's family is, with their higher education, all the members of the Islam family have a great love for their own village and so live there with complete satisfaction. 2. Not being properly qualified, none of their family got job in the town or city. 3. They are traditionally farmers. They do not like any job other than agricultural activities. Number E. Dash is better than any other job: poultry, fishing, self-employment, official work. Number F. What does the expression Mainul came back home and started advanced farming mean? Mainul coming home began to work hard in his field. Mainul coming home began to prosper by dint of agriculture. Mainul coming home began to cultivate in the most modern or sophisticated way. Mainul came home and set to farming. Number G. What is the main purpose of the author of this passage? To show the way of life of Mainul Islam. 2. To show the importance of agricultural activities. 3. To put up the attractive aspects of rural life. 4. To represent a family having great love for and feeling morally indebted to their birthplace. প্রশ্নগুলো আমি আরেকবার দেখাচ্ছি। তোমরা গল্পটি বা টেক্সটটি আরেকবার ইংলিশ ফটোরে বই থেকে পড়ে নিবে এবং দেখে টেক্সটটি দেখে তারপর তোমরা অ্যান্সারগুলো লেখার চেষ্টা করবে। Number 2. Answer the following questions. What is that specialty of Islam family? তাহলে A number হচ্ছে what is the specialty of Islam family? B. From your reading of the passage, give some idea about Mainul Islam's identity and education. C. Do you support the view that being properly educated, we should return to our respective village and try our best to develop it? Why or why not? Explain in 2-3 sentences. D. In spite of taking higher education, why does Mr. Mainul want to live in his village? এবং E number, why couldn't city life attract them? নাম্বার 3, আমাদের প্যাসেজটি একই এবং আমাদের এই প্যাসেজ থেকে আমরা যেই 3 নম্বরে fill in the gaps পাচ্ছি সেটি হচ্ছে Mainul Islam studied in Mymensingh Agricultural University. After completing his education, he returned to his village in Nauga. There he started dash. Since his subject was agricultural, he dashed the work of a farmer. He applied his new dash to farming and became a successful dash. He feels proud to be a farmer. Now he is very happy with his life. His dash has made him stay in his village. তোমাদের টেক্সটে আমি আরেকবার দেখাচ্ছি। নাম্বার 4, আমাদের আনসিন টেক্সটটি হচ্ছে খান বাহাদুর আহসানুল্লাহর উপর। টেক্সটটি আমি পড়ে শোনাচ্ছি। খান বাহাদুর আহসানুল্লাহ was born in a respectable Muslim family at Nalta, Satkhira district on 27 December 1873. He passed the entrance examination with a scholarship and distinction from the London Missionary School of Bhawanipur, Kolkata in 1890. He passed the FA examination with a scholarship from the Hooghly College, Kolkata in 1892. He obtained BA in 1894 and MA in philosophy in 1895 from Presidency College under the University of Calcutta. He was conferred the title of Khan Bahadur by the British government in 1911. He was also elected a member of Royal Society of London the same year. He had a significant contribution to the formation of the University of Dhaka. He had a significant contribution to the formation of the University of Dhaka. After the First World War, the Hornell Committee, special committee to establish Dhaka University, was formed in 1914 and he was a member. On 1 November 1919, a 9-member Senate special committee was formed, and he was an important member who submitted a report in which he reiterated the reason for the establishment of the university. This great philanthropist, educationist, social reformer, and saint died on 9 February 1965. তো এটি ছিল আমাদের আনসিন টেক্সটটি। আমি তোমাদের আরেকবার দেখাচ্ছি। ইনফরমেশন ট্রান্সফারটি তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ এখানে আছে। 1 নাম্বার আছে আমাদের প্লেসের ঘরে, 2 নাম্বার আছে আমাদের অ্যাচিভমেন্টে, 3 নাম্বার দেখতে পাচ্ছি আমরা নেম অর ইভেন্টে, 4 নাম্বারটি আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি টাইম অথবা ইয়ারে, এবং 5 নাম্বারটি আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি অ্যাচিভমেন্টে। টেক্সটটি পড়ে তোমরা অ্যান্সারগুলো লিখবে। 5 number, write a summary of the above passage in your own words. 6. Match the parts of sentences given in column A, B and C to write 5 complete sentences. Column A, every year a lot of people. B, smoking is a curse. C, with a view to. D, laws have been enacted. E, but smoking in public places. Column B te ache 1, and we must. 2, die of diseases. 3, many organizations are. 4, has not been stopped. 5, preventing smoking. Column C te ache prevent it. 2, caused by smoking, as the laws have not been executed. 4, campaigning against it. 5, prohibiting smoking in public places. Shot number, put the following parts of the story in correct order. To rewrite the whole story, only the corresponding numbers of the sentences need to be written. A, for example, once the boy set his father's house on fire only to see how it burns. B, to satisfy his curiosity, he often undertook some risky adventure. C, but at the same time he was proud of the young boy. D, and that person was his loving mother. E, but there was only one person who never fell annoyed with the boy. F, he was Thomas Alva Edison. G, his father got angry for this kind of activity. H, a young boy of 6 or 7 became the subject of talk in a village because he always asked why. তো এটি হচ্ছে তোমাদের জন্য আজকের রিয়ারেঞ্জটি। তো সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আশা করি তোমরা হোমওয়ার্কটি করতে পারবে। আমি আমার আগামী ক্লাসে ইনশাল্লাহ তোমাদের সলিউশন দিয়ে দিব এই হোমওয়ার্কটির। তো সবাই ভালো থাকবে সেই শুভকামনা জানিয়ে সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।